In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jotform to Google Drive. By the end, your form submissions will automatically save to your drive, keeping everything organized and easy to access. This is perfect for teams that rely on shared folders or anyone who wants a reliable backup of uploaded files and PDFs. All you need is an active Jotform account and access to your Google account. If you're already logged in to both in your browser, the process will be even faster. Start by opening the form you want to connect. Log into Jotform and head to My Forms, where you'll see a list of your existing forms. Find the one you want, then click Edit Form to open it in the form builder. Make sure you're editing the correct form, because the integration connects on a per form basis. If you work with multiple forms, you'll repeat this process for each one you want to sync with Google Drive. Once you're in the form builder, look at the top navigation and click Settings. From the Settings panel, select Integrations. You'll see a marketplace of available services. Use the search bar to type Google Drive, then click on Google Drive to add it. This takes you to the integration setup screen where you'll connect your account and finish the link between the form and your drive. Next, click Authenticate Google Drive. A prompt will open asking you to sign in to your Google account. If you have more than one Google account in your browser, be sure to choose the one where you want submissions to be stored. After selecting your account, review the permissions and click Allow so Jotform can create and update files in your drive. These permissions are necessary for the integration to save submissions and uploads automatically. When the connection is successful, you'll see a confirmation that your Google Drive account is connected. From this point on, each new form submission will sync to your Google Drive without you needing to do anything else. If you want peace of mind, many people like to submit a quick test entry to confirm the files appear in Drive. If you don't see the Google sign-in prompt, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, and make sure you're logged into the correct Google profile. That's it, you've connected Jotform to Google Drive and streamlined your workflow. If you later create another form, repeat these steps to link it as well. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.